Hey, what's going on guys, Mithun here, and in this video I'll show you guys on how to flash leaked Miui 10 global beta on your Redmi 5. And just so you know, it's in beta stage and you will have bugs here and there. Also, the version of Miui 10 is 8.7.12, so that's pretty new for now. The things that you will be requiring here is the ROM itself, Lazyflasher zip file, and you should have an unlocked bootloader and have TWRP recovery installed. Hoping you have these things, let's begin. First of all, boot your phone into recovery by holding the volume up and the power button at the same time. Once you are booted into TWRP, go to wipe and swipe to factory reset. Once done, go back to install, locate the ROM and Lazyflasher zip file, and in my case I have this in my download folder. Select the ROM and swipe to flash. Now flash the Lazyflasher zip file as well. So now go back to reboot and choose system. The first boot will take some time, about 1 to 5 minutes, so just wait for it to boot. As soon as it boots, you will be required to type your Miui account password, as the phone is locked by Miui itself. After that, just complete the setup. There you go, Miui 10 global beta for the Redmi 5. As of now, it's still in Nougat and you may get Oreo by the end of the month. And with that, let's hope that we are getting the portrait camera APK also. So that's been it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, then leave them in the comment sections below. I'll try to reply to you guys. And with that being said, have a great day. Bye.